Listen, I got an idea. How do you feel about tomorrow? Before I take you over to your mom's, we go down and we feed the ducks at the pond. You want to do that, huh? Do you think it's a good idea? Huh? Yeah, I'll tell you what. We can even take your tractor and your little red caboose with us, huh? Why not?
Yeah.
That's a good idea.
I can get some sand.
Get some sand down there if you want. After all, these little guys are going to be outclassed after you get yourself a little brother and sister, huh? You want that? You want a little brother or sister?
Yeah.
You do?
Let's stay here.
Wouldn't that be nice? Wouldn't that be fun? They'll stay in this room with you.
Yeah.
That way you could have a little buddy to show the ropes to. What do you think? Is that a good idea? Huh?
Hey, look at that truck. See? Look at that truck. You can drive it.
Yeah, well,
See?
one thing's for sure, sport.
See?
The way things are going,
Look at that truck.
we're going to have our work cut out for us.
Well, you look terrible. Sit down. Are you sure you're all right?
I'm scared. I'm so scared. Something's wrong with my baby. Dr. Cudahy, I'm sorry to bother you. I know you're probably heading home for supper.
It's no problem, Brooke. What can I do for you?
I've been having some spotting.
Heavy?
No, and just from this afternoon.
Are you having any pain? Cramping?
Well, not cramping exactly. It's it's more like a pinch, like I'm being pinched from the inside.
Is it low down or high up?
Well, it's sort of high up on the right side.
I have you down for your regular office visit on Friday. Let's move it up. Can you come in now?
Now?
Yes.
Of course, yes. I can be there in 20 minutes, sure.
Brooke? You all right?
What Dr. Cudahy say?
He said that he wants to see me now, tonight. I'm going to lose my baby. This can't be happening. I'm losing this baby.
No, the doctor didn't say that.
I know about pregnancy. I know about bleeding. I know about cramping. I've read every pregnancy book that's ever been in print. I know.
I've read a few pregnancy books myself, Brooke. Now, it could just be normal spotting and cramping.
Look, you've had a terrible, terrible day. It's just your body telling you to take it easy.
Why would he want to see me tonight? Why would he...
He knows how much you want this baby. He's just being cautious, Brooke. He's going to recommend plenty of rest, keep your feet elevated, and in a couple days you're going to be right back on track.
I'll feel better when I hear him say that.
Well, he can quote me. I'll bring the car around.
No. You don't have to take me, all right? You really don't.
We don't have to, but you're getting your own personal escort. We will not take no for an answer. Isn't that right, Tom?
Don't mess with that woman. She's evil when she's cross.
And even when I'm not.
Okay. Can't fight both of you, can I?
So put those dukes down here. You'll save them for another time. We're going to go get the A-OK from your doctor.
Okay, thanks. I don't know what I'd do, without the two of you.
Timmy, come on in.
Hi.
I understand you and Jamal have some weird science project going on.
We're doing crystals, formations, not New Age.
Ah.
Hey.
Hey, boys. We are going to take Brooke over to see her doctor at Pine Valley Hospital. Now, while we are out, do not answer the door. And if anybody calls, I want you to just tell them that we are not...
Don't say you're not home. Say you're in the shower and you'll call back. Don't answer the door to strangers. No TV till our homework's done. Oh, and yeah, we can help ourselves to some fruit. No junk food.
Wow, he's got you down, honey.
Well, you're going to be laughing out of the other side of your mouth when he does you watching Monday Night Football.
What about Jamie?
He's, spending the night with his dad.
Cool.
Be good.
Don't. don't jump to conclusions. I did not say I don't want to have another baby.
No, I
with
can
you.
see that you are obviously not that excited
No.
about the idea of having
Brooke, listen,
another
what
baby.
you're seeing is a guy that's very surprised. It was a very sudden announcement, that's all. I'm just trying to take it in.
All right, the announcement was sudden, but a baby wouldn't be. I mean, you know, these kind of things, they take time. I mean, you know, especially with my history. Best case would be we're talking maybe a year from now, maybe longer. Jamie would be 3 or 4 years old, and, you know, they say that's an ideal time for having a sibling.
No question. Jamie would be the ideal older brother. I mean, he's probably the only kid on the playground who knows how to share, and I know he'd love it. He would.
No. It's not about Jamie. This is not just for Jamie. That's not enough. Do you think that he's too little for music lessons? I saw this cutest
You don't
little
want to
ad
talk about
was
music
kids.
lessons. You want to talk about having a baby.
It was just a passing thought. all
You
right?
don't have passing thoughts. You're much too intelligent. If there was ever a woman in the world
All
who knows
right,
your mind...
all right. Look, we're not in sync. It happens. It's okay. I did see this little ad. It was all these little kids who were like 2.5 years old. They had little violins.
I
It was
would
the
love to have another baby with you.
cutest. Look, don't say it to humor me.
I'm
all
not.
right?
I mean it.
Brooke, your pelvic examination didn't reveal much. I found no indication of any abnormalities which might account for the spotting or the discomfort you're experiencing.
So, then this could just be stress-related, right?
That's possible, but I'd like to be sure.
Well, you know, I want to be too.
I have you scheduled for your first ultrasound next week. I suggest we do it now, just to be on the safe side.
Well, I want to do whatever is best for this baby. Why do you want to do an ultrasound?
A sonogram is a diagnostic tool. We use it to monitor a baby's growth. But it can also help us detect any uterine tumors or cysts that might be impeding the natural progress of your pregnancy. And you will get a snapshot for your baby book.
Okay. Is it going to take very long?
No, not at all. I'll arrange for a technician to come up and we'll get started. In the meantime, I want you to drink a lot of water. It'll help the transducer get a clear field for the view. And other than that, just relax. I'll let you know as soon as we're ready.
It's not possible for me to stay in this town. I have 2 children by a man who left me pregnant not once but twice for the same woman. It's just not possible. Don't you understand that? 6,000 miles away is not far enough. It's not far enough. Even Hawaii is not far enough.
You're not thinking logically.
You don't understand. You don't. Nobody understands. It took me so long to get to this place. And I gave up a lot along the way. I made it look a lot easier than it was. And I made it look a lot easier than it was, Edmund. But I didn't give up, all right? I didn't give up. I kept going. I had children. I learned to be strong. I learned to be fair. And for what? For what? I have to hold on to what is left. I have to hold on to what is mine and what will always be mine. Edmund, I cannot lose another child. What? Why is it taking them so long to set up the equipment? I mean, don't they just have to plug it in?
Drink your water.
I can't drink any more water. My back teeth are floating. I just want this to be over, you know.
All right, look, forget about the water, but how about a nice hot cup of chamomile tea down in the cafeteria, huh?
Good idea. Might help you relax a little bit.
Yeah.
What if something is wrong with this baby? I couldn't stand losing another child, not after Laura, not after what happened today. What are you doing here? Are you following me now? You must be following me now. That's the only way that you would know.
Tom, Livia. Well, I certainly walked in on the middle of this conversation. And just for the record, I did not follow you here. And how did I know about what?
Jamie. Oh, sweetie. Oh, hi. Oh. What's the matter? Is he sick?
No, it's just another chapter in a continuing saga of your ear infection, isn't it, Sport?
Well, it must be bad if you brought him here.
No, don't worry, okay? I just had to fill out his prescription, and he figured while I was at it, I'd have your grandpa take a look. Isn't that right?
You a high five.
You okay?
High five.
I hate it when you feel bad, huh?
Did you see Grandpa Joe?
Yes, he
Did he
did.
give you a sticker that says I'm A-okay? Because that's the way I like you.
Well, you should take him home. He should be in bed.
No, he's all right. Dad says he's well enough to go to his playgroup tomorrow. But one thing your mama got right, it certainly is past her bedtime, isn't it? Want to do me a favor, huh? Patrick, do me a favor. Would you take Jamie home for me? Drive him home. I've got some unfinished business here. I'll be home in a minute. Okay, Sport. High five. There you go. Love you.
Sit tight. Don't let the bed bugs bite. Good night.
Drive carefully. So, he's my excuse. What's yours?
You wanted Jamie, you got him. Now he's at home, and he's waiting for you.
I think Petra can take care of things till I get back. And you haven't answered my question. What are you doing here so late?
I have a prenatal exam. I'm sorry, did I forget to clear it with you?
Dr. Cudahy must be pretty backlogged, be scheduling regular visits after office hours.
Dr. Cudahy is a very well-known doctor. People sometimes wait for months to get an appointment with him. I'm lucky that he sees me at all. And it fits in with my schedule because I don't have exactly anything to run home to right now.
You two here for a checkup?
My car broke down and Tom and Livia were kind enough to give me a ride.
Mrs. Martin, we're ready for you.
Thank you. Now, the inquisition is over. Dr. Cudahy wants to run some blood tests on me. Excuse me.
You want to tell me what the hell's going on? Come on, Tom, what's the story? What's going on that Brooke doesn't want you to know about?
You heard what she said.
Yeah, I did. She asked me how I knew. Knew what? Come on, it's not that difficult. She's here getting blood tests at the hospital in the middle of the night, and you and Livia look like a couple of deer caught in the headlights. Now, it's obvious she's hiding something from me. I just want to know what it is. It's the baby, isn't it? That's it. There's something wrong with the baby.
Just take a deep breath and relax. There it is.
What? What is it? Is there something wrong with my baby?
I'm afraid so.